Hello, Menzerna family. A very warm welcome from my side. My name is Jolt, and I welcome you to the online training today. Today, I will talk about our product 3-in-1, and later I will explain you what is the advantage of this product. So I have two main topics in my presentation. The first is to use the 3-in-1 product correctly and know the advantages of the product. So first of all, I would like to summarize why we have or why we developed this product. So as it says, 3-in-1, it means it's a medium cut polish, it's a finish, and it's a sealant. And if you look at our overview, you will see the 3-in-1, you will find it below, and it has an overlap to medium, finish, and protection. So this product is very helpful for people who are, for detailers, for example, who are detailing a car, and the customer says, okay, he wants not to spend a lot of money, he's satisfied only with one polishing step. Then the 3-in-1 is very helpful. Also for people, for example, for rental companies who cannot spend an effort in polishing cars in a 3-step way, we recommend the 3-in-1. Also, if you have the intention to give your car sealing character, or if you want to give a protection, you already have it inside. So all Menzerna products are water-based, and this product is absolutely paint shop proof because there are no silicone inside. If you ask me about how long it lasts, this product, I can tell you it's more or less 1 to 1.5 months, depending how you treat your car, how you wash your car, and how you treat it before. So it's very important before using the 3-in-1 that it's grease free, and then you can do the polishing step. So here I would like to show you. So here we have two spots. We already did the correction process. So here we polished, the both spots were polished with the 400. And if you come here, you can see that we have still slight marks on it. So both spots are same, and I will polish here, and later we will see the comparison on the other hand. So this is a typical car, how it looks like when it comes out of an automated washer. So it is not in bad condition, but it's also not perfect. So here with the 3-in-1, we do it better now. Before starting polishing, I just wanted to explain as well that the 3-in-1 is very useful for Asian customers or Asian cars. We call it sticky paint. The recommendation would be to use the 3-in-1 with lamb's wool, and the second step should be done with the yellow pad and the 3-in-1. Because maybe you ask yourself why we have 3 pads here. The reason is because it's a 3-step system. So the first step should be done with the yellow pad, the second step, the finishing step, with the green one, and the final step with the blue one. But most people, as I explained in the beginning, most people would do only one step with the yellow pad. This is the advantage of the product, that you only polish once. So now I would like to start to polish with the 3-in-1 this spot, and then we will have a look how it looks like. So therefore I take a orbital machine, a rotary machine, but the second step could be done also with a orbital machine. So I take the product here and put a small amount of the products onto the pad. Now I start the polishing process. So I polished here around about 2 minutes, and now I will wipe off the polish. And now we have a look. We can see here still the scratches from the 400. And here we did the second step. So here we did the 400 and the 3-in-1. And you can see there are no scratches on the surface. So this is a product, very nice to have one good result with one product. So now I would like to summarize what we talked about. So 3-in-1 is 3 products in one. It's a medium cut polish, it's a finish, and it's a sealant. It's carnauba based, and the carnauba content is round about 6%. The cutting level is, we have 10 is the maximum. Here the cutting level is 5 and the gloss level is 9 from 10. So it has a very high gloss level. The product removes slight scratches because it, as you remember, it started with a medium cut and it takes out more or less a grid of P3000. Target groups are paint shops because it's paint shop safe. There are no silicons inside. Used car dealers and leasing companies who wants to achieve a quick polishing step with one product. It's a very economical working because you use only one product, but you can also use 2 or 3 steps if you want, not 100% necessary, and you can use it also for sticky paint with lamb's wool. The lifetime, the service life of the sealant is round about 1 month up to 1.5 months, depending how you care your car. So thank you for listening, and depending on in which country you are located, please go to our website menzörner.com. Then you log on with your country, and then you find the online shops and you can buy the products directly from them. Thank you for watching and keep tuned. Thank you. Bye.
Menzörner Polishing Compounds. Perfection in polishing.